let's deep dive into the mean. Let's understand mean in depth. So let's take one example. So mean is nothing but the balance point. So let's take this example. So each person's score is like 1 pound. 1 pound balanced at the scores position on a seesaw. Below, on a 200 centimeter seesaw, the mean equals 110, exactly at the center. 110, the place on the seesaw where a fulcrum finds a balance. So the scale is balanced because 17 plus 17 plus 4 on the left, 17 plus 4 on the left is equivalent to the 21 units on the right. So 17 units plus 4 units is equals to 21 units. It's got balanced. It's a 0 unit. If you have gone through the mechanics, engineering mechanics, so this stability problem would have been clear for you. But that's how it's. You can take the analogy of engineering mechanics if you're an engineer. So you can take the analogy of movements. For example, it is 1 pound. It is 1 pound. It's a 1 pound. So the center of point, the center point, to find out the center of gravity or the center point. So 1 pound times this distance plus 1 pound times this is equal to 1 pound times this one. If they're same, you can get the center. If they're same, that should be equal. So that's where the balance takes place. Okay, so that's how you can find out the even that's how that's the completely different one. That's mechanics. But here, so the mean is nothing but the balance point. It's exactly the center point. Okay, next. So mean can be badly affected by outliers. So data points with extreme values unlike the rest. So outliers can make the mean a bad measure of central tendency or common experience. So outliers can make the mean a bad measure of central tendency. Okay, so that's the reason. Let's take an example: income in India. So this is how the income in India, if you plot an income in India, so most of the people, all of us comes under this bracket where the income is very low, either low or a medium. Whereas the Ambanis, they hold the maximum wealth, so they the maximum income, and they are the outliers for us. But the mean is here. So outliers can make a mean a bad measure of central tendency. So that's the reason. So this is the negative point, or this is the negative point or pain point of mean.